Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly, the Inbound Revenue, taking a look at the local competition for Google Ads in Atlanta for the HVAC niche. You can see the keywords that we chose here, starting with air conditioning contractor, HVAC contractor. By the way, I'm Mark Kelly. I own, it's over here somewhere, Inbound Revenue. We're a Google Ads agency. If we can help you in any way, shape, or form manage your Google Ads, give us a shout. So keywords: HVAC contractor, HVAC companies near me, air conditioning companies near me, AC contractors. A lot of people using these keywords that we chose here. Let's take a look at the schedule. We always run these for 24 hours. You can see at the most competition, there was about 8 or 9 running advertisers at any one time. Let's look at the top. Let's look at the search competition. Boom. Again, as usual, we have a couple of people really competitive, a handful of others still fighting, and there's quite a few that are running a fairly decent number of ads. Let's look at who our top advertisers were. We'll look at the top 2. Number 1 is these people, Call Day Company. Let's take a look at their ads. Local HVAC company, Call Dakota Day, highly rated. They are running some extensions. Number 1, I like that. Save 500. Okay, decent. They're running some offers and things like that. Let's take a look at their landing page. Landing page, not bad. There's a form, there's a number, there's what we do, there's trust signals, there's pictures. Okay, pretty decent. I like what these folks are doing. Let's take a look at number 2. Eden. I don't know how to say all that. Let's take a look at their ads. Best HVAC company near you. Top heating company near you, 5-star AC experts. They're using extensions. Decent ad copy, no offers or anything, but that's okay. Let's take a look at their landing page. Who they serve, near you, call us now, what they do, form. Yeah, not terrible. So it looks to me like the competition in the Atlanta market is, it's mid-level, I would say. If you have an HVAC company, you've got tons of room to get in and fight for your ad space in there and get some revenue and get some leads. If you have any questions about these videos, this video series, or Google Ads in general, drop comments below. Reach out to me at inboundrevenue.com. I always forget which arm it is. Inboundrevenue.com. If you have any Google Ads questions, need help with your campaigns with your agency or direct client, give us a shout.